Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Quick Assist right away. There's no extra setup. Sign in with your Microsoft account so you can generate or receive a security code. Once done, choose whether you will give assistance or get assistance and tell the recipient to have their PC available. Make sure they can read the screen aloud. You'll need to exchange a 6-digit code. This initial handshake establishes a secure, temporary connection for remote control or guided viewing. Once you have the 6-digit code, enter it promptly and click Share to initiate the session. The recipient must click Allow and choose whether to grant view or full control. Choose full control only when necessary. Use the Quick Assist toolbar to switch monitors, annotate the screen, pause the session, or send secure key sequences like Control plus Alt plus Del. Make sure to explain each toolbar button aloud. This prevents accidental clicks and keeps the session efficient and focused on the task at hand. To finish, end the session from the Quick Assist toolbar and confirm disconnection on both PCs. This revokes remote control immediately. If the connection fails, first verify firewall rules, ensure both machines have recent Windows updates, and confirm network stability. Once done, try reconnecting or restart Quick Assist. If problems persist, reboot both systems or use an alternative remote tool temporarily. Remember, security matters.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.